Hi guys, welcome to the channel Hannah's Homemaking. I'm Hannah Wagner and this is a new channel. So I'm very excited to kind of show you guys what homemaking is to me and some of the activities that I enjoy. On this channel you'll probably see a lot of baking, baking techniques, sourdough, which I'm very into, and then some sewing, like sew along with me, and then knitting, crocheting, anything kind of grandma-ish, which is totally fine. It's my personality. People say that I'm kind of an old soul, which I embrace. I'm all for it. So yeah, we're gonna kind of dive into those subjects. I'm kind of hoping to really inspire those people who are kind of wanting to pull that side of themselves out. And they're just kind of wanting to learn more about what homemaking is and just kind of like the old habits and stuff like that of making your own in this world. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very excited about my first video, which was really recommended by one of my coworkers. She was sweet enough to really encourage me to do this, to kind of start putting myself out there, because I know that it's really kind of a rarity nowadays. So yeah, my first video will be making macarons. I know it's very technical. She really just wanted me to make a tutorial on how to do it for herself, so I'm happy to do it. But yeah, a little bit about me. My name is Hannah Wagner. I am newly married. My first anniversary is coming up, which feels like no time at all, on June 1st, which is awesome. I'm married to my wonderful husband, Isaac. We have been together since sophomore year of high school, but we've known each other since elementary school, so it's a very, one of those high school sweethearts stories, so we're very thankful for that. I am a devout Christian. I love my family. We don't have any kids yet, but we do have pet kids. We have a dog and a cat. Our puppy, his name is Marshall. We rescued him from the shelter and he's a year old. He's a Staffy, Pitty, Chow Chow mix of sorts, but he's a cutie, he has lots of energy. And then we have Mr. Boots, our cat. Bootsy is 5 years old. He's really silly and funny and I love him, and he loves his mom most of all, but he is really getting attached to his dad, which is very sweet. But yeah, he was on my husband's family's farm, and we rescued him when he was a little baby, so he's attached to us at the hip. But yeah, that's our family. And I love, like, my hobbies. I love to crochet, knit, sew, bake a lot, sourdough. But yeah, kind of any of the homely things. I also love running and working out. Wouldn't call myself an expert in those areas at all, but I'm trying to be more consistent and healthier. So that's always a journey for everyone. But yeah, this is kind of a peek into my life and I'm excited to share with you guys. But yeah, I guess let's get going into it.